Hi, Tim Kinzer here with Deem Engineering. Today I'll be demonstrating how to change an Aurora pump squeeze tube. Let's get started. It is always recommended to wear personal protective equipment when dealing with chemicals. Let's go ahead and change the squeeze tube on pump 2. I want to go ahead and take the cover off. Remove my pickup and discharge line. Remove my old squeeze tube. My new squeeze tube, I went ahead and pre-lubed it with silicone lubricant. I want to go ahead and install that. Put the cover back on. Install my pickup line and my discharge line. Now I'm ready to prime the pump. Prime the pump by pressing the left arrow button. Hit the up button to go to pump 2. Now I'm running my pump. The chemical's coming up. As soon as I see it come down to the check valve here, I can go ahead and turn it off by hitting enter. Now I'm going to go up to my flush function because I like to flush the chemical out of here before I do any other pumps. That ought to do it. Go ahead and hit my right arrow button to get out of the priming function. And that's complete now. That concludes our tutorial. If you have any questions about Aurora, contact your Deem sales manager or customer service. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like below. To stay updated on the latest videos and product information from Deem, click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
Deem, dispensing innovation.